Hey everyone, now I'm going to discuss the problem F from Codeforces round 690. So in this problem we are given a set of segment and we call a set of segment is good if there is if there is any segment which intersects all other segment. So we are given a set of arbitrary set of segments and we have to remove some we can remove some number of segment for make it good, and we have to minimize the remove operation. So how can you check that if there is the set of segment is good or not? So we can check it by a simple brute force. We can iterate through every segment and try to check what is the maximum number of segment, what's the maximum number of intersection of a segment. And if there is a segment that intersect all other segment, we can say that this set of segment is good. And if not, we can find what is the maximum number of intersection of each segment and take the removing part and delete the removing part, because it should be optimal. So for a particular segment, for example, if the set of segment like this, the maximum number of intersection of this is 2. The maximum number of intersection of this is 2, but the maximum number of intersection of this is 3. So we can say that the maximum number of intersection is 3 and the number of segment is n, or n equal to 3. So this segment is good. And what if we have another segment and this side? So the number of segment is 4 and the maximum number of intersection of these is 3. So we can say that n minus maximum number of intersection of all of the segments and is equal to 1, and we can say that we have to remove one segment. So that is it. This is the intuition behind the idea. So how can we find it? We can find it by binary search or something like that. For a particular left and right, we can check what is the number of segments and before right, and what is the number of segments start after left. So we can say that x and y, those number of segment we have to remove for a particular segment. So what you're gonna do, we iterate through every segment and try to check what is the number of element and before this segment, what is the number of element start after this segment, and we have to remove this part and this part for this particular segment, and we are gonna do for every segment and take the minimum out of this. So we just input the left and right, and all the left and all the right will be two separate vector for binary search purpose. So we just iterate through every left and right and try to find the minimum out of this. So that is it. Thank you for watching.